Welcome back to a new episode number 7. Today I have to change the tires. It's about 1 week where we have to change it anyway from the metal, from the spikes to summer tires in this region. It's in northern Norway. Every time when I was going to the car shop I have problems to get the tires off since they are tightening it way too hard. Even if you ask them if they use momentum, and obviously they don't do it. So I had to fight with this once more again on my van to get it loose. And now this time I will do some copper stuff on the bolts. That will be easier to this coming winter season in the end of this year in October. I call it end of the year, but it's actually still 2 months. But where it's starting the winter, it's like on 10th of October where the winter is starting up here. Every season I tighten it only with this. And I never had problems that I need to tighten it after 100 kilometers, what you should do. And I never had problems to loosen the tires again. So now I will check. I was buying this tool here today on air pressure. I thought it would be easier to get off, but even this did not been able to loosen it. So I used the hammer and the wheel tool. And I'll show you in a minute ago how I did it. So now I just want to try to get the right momentum of these tires here. Normally you should use just the momentum key, but yeah, I don't have it. It's a lot of stuff you always need. Now I just tighten 2 of them, as I used to do. I have this stuff here. Maybe I will put it on number 1 first. As I mentioned before, I use this tool here. Place it in place. I thought my car had with drum brakes on all sides, but I just see it has blocks, or how you call it, brakes. So now I can have a look if I need some new one. Sorry, I'm still sick. It's now in my 4th week of Corona after I was getting it. It's still affecting my condition and how I feel. Still my throat is not good. And my lungs. If you ever wonder which direction you should put the wheels, in this case my summer tires, they don't have a direction actually. As you see here, you can see this one is going back and this line is going forward. So this means you can change it on both sides, and you don't need to do any order or direction. But you should check the depth of a profile and have most profile on the wheels where the engine is driving the car. So if you have a front wheel drive car, you should put it in front. I have a back wheel drive, so I should have it back. Ready to go. 2 more. Now I'm getting ready for the 3rd tire. I just need to place this. I didn't thought about putting this out. This could be really bad because this could stuck under the car now. Oh, never again. Never put this out. This was only car number 1. I hope the next car will go faster, because all the bolts were stuck like hell and I had to smash it loose. Now I will have a short break and continue. Even if you're changing the tires at the local car service shop, they take about, what was it? I think it was 400 kroner, so it's 40 euros. So it's quite a lot actually. But of course you can count everything into the working time on your own and how much this would cost if you would just wait like 10 minutes or 15 minutes and they get it done. At home it takes a bit longer time. But anyway, if I just need to drive because of this to town, it's about 20 minutes each way. So it would be 40 minutes, so it would be easily 1 hour. So I can change it on my own. And I was buying some extra stuff for getting it done at home. So it needs to be paying off. It will be paid off maybe in 2 or 3 years. Yeah, just have a look again. A good thing with this car is I have one point in front, in the middle, where I can lift up and lift the whole car. I mean I have access to both of the wheels, so you just need to do it twice, and then I'm able to change the tires. It's really good. The funny thing, I bought a brand new set. It should have these cups made for this tool, and I don't have a size of the bolts of the screws, so that's pity. So I just use it with my normal tool and I think it should be okay. One important thing is that you have different of these. This is flat and this is round, and it's depending on which metal wheel you have, and you should use the right ones. The next best part is coming from the back of the car. Here, according to the manual, I can lift it up there. It's also 1 point and the whole car goes up. We have to come to an end at this new episode of my vlog. I hope you liked it. It was more short, only about changing tires, but this is a part of my daily life since we are going to the summer season now. And the tip or the hint of the day, it's actually, if you think over it, I'm actually driving 7 months on winter tires and we have only 5 months with the summer tires. So now you can ask yourself, when is the summer starting? Are you by time changing the tires? or is the summer official starting when it's really warm? That's two big questions. Comment down below what you think. In my opinion, the summer starts when I can change the tires, since the snow is nearly melting everything away. So sorry, it was not so good for doing the tire stuff with my health, but I think it will be better. So I hope I can see you more on my channel. I did not manage to do so much content, it's really pity, but I had to rest a lot for getting better. I'm still not at my best form. I hope in 3 weeks it will be better. I will try to do some episodes, but I did not manage to film a lot as I usually do. And my exam, my school stuff is coming. I have to do a lot studying in May. So please be patient with me. It will be coming even more in the summer. It means from June until August, where I have a lot of time since I don't need to do the school study stuff. So it would be really nice to see you also then. Have a nice weekend. See you.